It is a rainy day, so let's make some breakfast so we can start cleaning because we will need the energy for today. The best part of my morning, the best combination ever, with some ice. Yum! Hello everyone, hello, welcome back to another video. This is Judy. We are going to be doing a lot of work today. We are going to be painting this shelf, but before we start painting it, we're going to remove all the raedunn products, items that it has inside. We're going to be working on it inside, washing all the dishes. It's been a while since I worked on this Hutch. We're going to be putting it very beautiful. At the end, we are going to be decorating it for autumn, for fall. So stay tuned for that. I know the video might, if it's too long, I'm gonna do a two-part video. I'm not sure yet, but stay tuned because it's gonna be lots of fun. This is where I ended up putting everything. I will be washing all of this. Well, whatever is washable. Painting, cleaning. Well, actually cleaning and then painting this. And then redecorating. Okay guys, so this is the before painting, cleaning, and redecorating. It just kind of got as a catch-all space, which I wasn't really liking. Thank you for watching this video. If you have made it to the end of the video, thank you so very much for watching. I am very grateful. This is the coffee station area, which is the video that will be coming up next on Thursday, so stay on the lookout for that. Subscribe, like, and share, guys. Thank you so very much.